Hello and welcome to Word Tip 3 training videos from IT Tips channel. So as we done in previous sessions, we have a text like this, and we did some configuration on font and paragraph, and now we want to change font again like this, then font size to 14, then change color to black. You can justify, change line space 1.5 is enough, then save. Also, you can select a part of the text and have border around, or remove border, or have border on the bottom like this. Also, what we have today is styling the text. As we move mouse on heading 1 to title, you see that we have many changes in text and paragraphs. So there are two methods that you can define a style. Right click on a specific style and modify it, then change what you prefer. In formatting, also in properties, you can change the name, and we have all the configuration that we had previously, like font, paragraph, border, and numbering, other things that you can do on your text. The other method is that we define a specific style here. For example, change color, paragraph, and then click here and update to match selection. So these two methods can help you to define. So we choose the first one. Right click on modify and change the name if you prefer. We can change it to H1. Then we ignore this part. Then formatting, there are two methods: all scripts, Latin and complex. Latin is for English and complex is for other text. For example, Persian or Arabic is an example for this one. So we first define for Latin, the color is black text. Then you can make it bold, italic, or underline, or change font, for example, to Times New Roman. Change font size to 14. You can make it center, centralize, right or left. Then change spaces like this. Also, for more detail, click on format, then paragraph, and do configuration for this part. For example, make a left, right, the direction, indentation, and also hanging or first line indentation, and also spacing. For here, we just change line spacing to 1.5 lines and then click on OK. So another configuration is for complex text that consists Persian, Arabic, or other languages. Here we have an example for Persian. This is complex, then change it to a proper font. For example, we have here B Nazanin, and then change font to 1.5, 15, and click on OK. So when we enter here, and also I should change another thing here, and when we have complex text we should change it to direction right to left and click on OK, then OK. So here when we type in Persian like this in complex, we should have right align. So let me check again. Okay, this is for complex and paragraph. In case that for other languages there is no change, you should type first, for example, this is a Persian text, then make it right to left direction and then change the font here and also font size, and then update to this. But this is a big problem because all the fonts and font size is changing. So Control Z to undo what we done. Then we go again to here, complex. For Latin it should be like this, left to right, but for complex it should be right to left. You know, this is now okay. The English text, Latin text is left to right and Persian is right to left. The font is Times New Roman and the font is B Nazanin. I hope that you enjoy this session. You can change all the size defined for title, for text, for pictures. In next session, we will focus more on the contents and styling to text. Goodbye. Do not forget subscribing this channel.